Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Mr. Teddy's Pre-K. It is summertime right now, so we're going to read a little book about being outside and about bugs and insects. Are you ready? The title is Bug Safari. Do you know what a safari is? It's like when you take a trip. In this book, there's a child. Do you see him here? And he's got a big sun hat on. He decides to follow some ants. Do you see those little black ants? Let's see what happens when he goes on an adventure outside in the summer. Bug Safari. He says that these events actually happen to him, things that happen during summertime. If you look at the picture, you can see the little boy, and I see flowers, and I see a ladybug, and a bumblebee, and a caterpillar, and over here I see butterflies, here and here. These illustrations are gorgeous, aren't they, friends? Look at all those colors. Summertime is a time for being outside and discovering things. Let's see what this little boy discovers. Ooh, he's using a magnifying glass. Can you say magnifying glass? That's something that helps you see little bitty things and they look bigger. He's following these black ants. Do you see them? They're traveling together. There they are. There's one, two, three, four, five, six, and I bet there's more. He wants to see, where are these ants going? He follows them outside in the garden and he sees all sorts of insects. Here is a dragonfly. Can you see his body? Here's his head and his body. There's his 6 legs. Remember, insects have 6 legs. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. He's still following the ants. There they are. Do you see them carrying those leaves? Did you know that even though ants are very, very tiny, that they can carry big things? I also see another insect hiding in this illustration. I think it's a dung beetle. Have you heard of dung beetles before? On the other side, I see a walking stick. It's an insect, but if you didn't know it and you found him outside in the garden, you might just think he was a stick. But he's a real bug, a real insect. Here's his body, here's his antenna, and he has 6 legs. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. That means he's an insect. Let's keep going. Oh, look at this illustration. Now the ants appear to be bigger. Now, are they really bigger? Or did the illustrator draw them bigger so that like we're closer to them? I see the insects, the ants. I also see 2 bumblebees. Do you see those? Lots of different insects and bugs outside in summertime. Here's that dung beetle again. Here's a different picture of him. He's rolling up something here and pushing it. Do you know what it is? It might be poop. They call them dung beetles because he gathers animal and insect poop and he pushes it into a big ball. Oh my goodness. Look at the ants. They're looking and watching. And it looks like the little boy is measuring to see how long this ant is. Hmm. Oh dear. Look at this illustration. Do you see the ants? And they're fighting. The red ants and the black ants are fighting. I wonder why. Uh-oh. The boy keeps on following them. He's on an adventure, a safari. He follows the ants. I see the boy's tennis shoe, so I know he's still there. Uh-oh, one of the ants got eaten by a frog. Do you see that? Uh-oh. He's still following the ants in the garden, and I see another insect. It's back here, and it's green. Do you know what insect that is? If you said praying mantis, you're right. I know he's a praying mantis because his front legs bend like this. There he is, and oh no, did he grab one of the black ants? He did. Oh my. The little boy is still outside. I know that because I see the green grass and the bushes, and he sees a bird, and the bird has grabbed a spider. Now, is a spider an insect? No, because a spider has 8 legs and insects have six. 6 legs. Oh, look, a mosquito. Do you know about mosquitoes? Those are the insects that if they bite you, it itches really badly wherever they bit you. And there's a butterfly. Do you see him? Lots of neat insects and bugs and things outside. He's still following the ants. I see his tennis shoes. And do you see the ants still traveling in their little choo-choo line? Where are they headed, my friends? Can you tell? That's right. They're heading to the food, to that cake. It looks like there might be a picnic going on now. Hmm. Yes, that's what it was. If you look right here, you'll see the little boy. There's his mommy, and they're having a little lunch outside on a blanket. That's called a picnic. And look, in the illustration, you can see all the different kinds of insects. There's that praying mantis. There's that walking stick. There's that dung beetle. There's the butterfly. Is that everybody in the picture? I think so on that side. But on this side, I see a bumblebee. I see a ladybug. And there's the black ants that the little boy was following on his bug safari. I hope you liked that little book walk, my friends. Maybe if it's summertime where you are, you can go outside, look around in the grass and flowers, and see if you find any bugs or insects. Bye, everybody. See you next time.